Baba, see, it has to be a wholesome decision. एकू कडेन आतलेलो म्हूण जायना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिजिटल टॅक्सी हांवें लास्ट टायम सांगलें डिजिटायजेशन करून टॅक्सी हाडल्यार द रेट्स ऑटोमॅटिकली कम डावन. You have seen Goa miles is 20% lower than others. Tomorrow, if the big footprint is there, others also will lower the rates. People can have share taxi also. गांवांनी करपा जाता. गोंयचो पात्रांव मुखेलमंत्री गोंयचे टॅक्सी पात्रांव स्कीम केल्ली ताकाच लागून आज पेडणे सारके गांवांत चडशे ते वाठारांतसून लोक आसा हे आख्खे गोंयान करपा जाता. अल्टिमेटली ट्रान्सपोर्ट सगळें लागता न्हू आमकां. बसान आतां आमकां IIT alumni, they are giving us about 500 buses. That also is on the way. We have already moved in that direction after the cabinet decision. Special purpose vehicle has been formed for that. So things are moving. Once that comes, how to align the buses with the taxis and other modes of transport, it is a big exercise which we have to carry out. That's why I am insisting on digitization. Because how will you know which bus will go where, which taxi will go where, which area needs more concentration of buses or where common man is more effective. That the digitization आणि सोपेपण मेळटा.
Mauvin sir, what is the reason of the accident, more accident? The department had done a study regarding this?
That's what I said. We have done a study. We are going to put everything on the table and take a decision. As I said, it has to be also coordination with the important department like police as well as public works department also. So we will be doing it.
सर तुम्ही मेन्शन केलं डिजिटायझेशन हायटेक टेक्नॉलॉजी म्हटलं पळय ते HSRP नंबर प्लेट हाडलेली पळय तेचे कितें जालें?
What happened before I came, don't ask me. I'm you know it very well. You will answer yourself the question.
Mauvin sir, ते पंचायती नो रिजनल प्लॅन डिमांड करतात कारण या मेगा प्रोजेक्टचा इशू होता.
See, I have come for a transport road safety function. Okay.